CuteKidsTV. Hello, kids! Today we're going to explore a super fascinating and familiar animal. Can you guess what it is? That's right, it's chickens. Let's uncover some amazing facts about chickens together. Chickens are the most common animals on Earth. They live on every continent except Antarctica, with a population of over 25 billion. Did you know there are more chickens than humans on the planet? Can you believe it? Chickens are the closest living relatives of the mighty Tyrannosaurus Rex. Scientists have found evidence that chickens and T-Rex share a common ancestor. Isn't that mind-blowing? Although chickens don't fly high or far like other birds, they can fly short distances to clear obstacles or perch up high. This ability comes from their wild ancestor, the Red Junglefowl, which lived in forests and flew to escape predators. Chickens are incredibly smart animals. They can remember over 100 faces, including humans and other animals, even after being apart for a long time. Chickens can also recognize themselves and learn from one another, like chicks learning foods from their mother. Did you know that chickens can dream just like us? While sleeping, they experience REM, rapid eye movement, where dreams happen. Chickens also have a unique sleep ability called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, where one half of their brain sleeps while the other stays awake to watch for predators. Chickens can see basic colors like red, green, and blue, and ultraviolet light, which humans can't see. This superpower helps them better understand their surroundings. Chickens have over 30 unique sounds to communicate. They use these sounds to warn others of danger, express their feelings, find food, and even attract a mate. It's like they have their secret language. To stay clean, chickens don't bathe in water, they roll in dirt. This helps remove old oil from their feathers, allowing them to apply fresh oil for waterproofing. Have you ever wondered why some eggs are white and others are brown? The answer lies in the hen's earlobes. Hens with red earlobes usually lay brown eggs, while hens with white earlobes lay white eggs. But no matter the color, all eggs are equally nutritious. Wow, chickens are truly amazing, aren't they? From their flying abilities and intelligence to their dinosaur connection, chickens teach us so much. What's your favorite thing about chickens? Could you share it with us? Goodbye and see you next time.